away, take it away. Feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never
like some
leave
fruit?
my thoughts alone. Yeah.
Would you like some fruit? Yes. What do you want, strawberries or blueberries? Is it good? So my husband already took out a meat for dinner. So this is some kind of beef. What is that? Neck. And then this is the skin of the cow. It's really good. I know it sounds gross, but I'm gonna thaw this out and combine it. I buy a lot of meat in bulk and then I separate it. So this will be 2 meals. That's the reason why they're both out, because I mixed them. So good. Don't forget, I'm Jamaican, so I eat weird things, you know. I'm proud of you. Here, put this on. Did our hair. Put that on. Then you're gonna take this jacket because it's cold outside. Okay, so if you go to recess, take this with you. This is for, that's for inside the classroom, because they can't wear anything other than school sweater inside the classroom. Where's your lunch bag? I am really running late today. The story of my life. I woke up this morning thinking that just because it's one child, I can get up at 7 o'clock and be at the house by 6:24. It's the same time. It doesn't matter if you have one child, no child, it's the same time. Let's go, Maddie.
This one's cracked.
It's fine. Let's go. That light over here. Gotta save money where you can, because the times are getting hard. Times are getting, cannot afford a $400 light bill. Let's go, child. She switched her seats. Oh man. Y'all are coming with me this morning. I doubt it.
Mommy, I can hold it.
What, the camera?
Yeah. Do I hold it?
No.
But you're gonna try.
I'm not. Let me turn some light on. Okay. Whew! Bright. So I put my coffee in this Yeti because I don't have time to reheat my coffee when I get back. Some mornings I do take it with me to go, but I don't know where they are. They're somewhere in my truck. But the plan, the goal for today is to clean up upstairs. Downstairs is not too bad, not too shabby, you know what I mean? But I do need to get to my room, get some laundry done, and then also get some schoolwork done, as well as editing. I need to get some editing done, so that's the plan for today. I don't know how successful I'm going to be at that, but that's the goal. So yeah, and I also need to work out because I've gained 10 pounds. I don't know how, but yeah, I've gained 10 pounds, so I need to lose that 10 pounds before Disney. Yeah, can't go to Disney with the 10 pounds. Just not gonna happen. But if I didn't say it, good morning and welcome to the vlog. Why are you jumping all over my furniture? Why? Why are you jumping on the, are you excited to see me? Yes. Are you excited? Get down off my furniture. You know the rules. You know the rules. Dogs do not get on furniture. Okay? Anyways. This is the life that I live around here. Like, what is this? But yeah, the house is fairly clean. I don't know whose shoe that is. I cleaned up yesterday, which you guys will see in the vlog. And I have to turn off the outside light, which there are 5 switches here, and I do not know which one is the outside. Yeah, that's it. That's the outdoor light. We figured it out. Get off the furniture. I told you, Juju. Get down. Don't play with me. We don't live that kind of life around here. Get down. Get off the furniture. Thank you, sir. I don't know what's gotten into you. We do not get on furniture. Thank you. My husband is allergic to dogs. So, yeah. We can't have the dogs. We can't have the dog. Dogs. We can only have one dog. We can't have the dog all over the furniture because he's allergic to him. Not like lethal or deadly allergic, but he's allergic to dogs and cats. But we can't have him. We can't have this guy because he don't really shed. Anyways, I gotta go. Say hi. Oh, I was able to. So I cleaned down I went downstairs in my basement and I cleaned and I restyled this. These are pretzel nuggets. Give it to me before you break it.
For you.
This is from McGee & Co. I will try to link it down below for you guys. It's back in stock. If you can get your hands on it, get your hands on it because it was out of stock for a very long time and finally got it. Maddie, do not touch my floral. These I got from Hobby Lobby months ago and I found them in my basement. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna do what this child ate for lunch today. Okay guys, so I am about to put some dinner. I'm about to put dinner on the stove. I did not do anything at all today. All I did was I did a load of laundry over there and it's just dish towels.
My chair's
I reorganized the basement a little bit. Actually, I made a bigger mess than anything. I was able to clean the landing. You know, when you come up the landing area of the stairway, I believe. This area, we had a whole bunch of stuff, just everybody would throw whatever, and then I cleaned this guy because it was filthy. Like, it's white now. Before it was a shade of dirt, and then I swept I need to redo that stair situation, but when we finish the basement, like actually finish the basement. And then this vase, I never got around to. I'm wearing my husband's pants. Like, he's lost so much weight that we wear the same size and pants. But I did not do anything. Like, see, this stuff was right there by all of this, and it's still there. I am currently working on laundry, and I'm waiting on that child right there, big son. He's taller than me. You guys haven't seen the kiddos in a while, but see, he's taller than me. Say hello.
Look at the camera.
No, say hello.
I did.
You did not say hello. Say hello, Jason. No, say hello. You see, he's taller than me.
Just say hi.
Hi.
He's taller than me, and his voice is deeper than my husband's. So you come in my house and you hear a man's voice, I'm not cheating. It's my big boys. They're about to be 18 next year. But 18. You're about to be 18 next year. You'll be an adult next year. Notice I did not say you'll be 17.
I forgot my age.
You're 16 right now. It's not.
I thought you forgot my age.
You'll be 17 next month. Ah! Oh Lord, she'll be 7. She'll be 7. Hot mess.
Wow.
Destiny's taller than me. Have you guys seen Destiny?
That's crazy.
Well, he took her. He took her. Maddie, he took your stuff. That's because you're not sitting down. Jordan is running away from the camera. I see you, Jordan. I see you. Chores. I need my kitchen. I need to cook right now.
Maddie, can I have one?
Y'all been seeing her school all day. Who cares?
Oh, you showed her shirt.
Who cares? Pretty sure.
Oh, that's crazy.
They all know. They all know. What else was I supposed to update you guys on? Yeah, I just need to get dinner on the stove, and this day is over. I have not heard from my child. That is one thing I do not appreciate, is the fact that they do not like update you on how your child is doing. Like, my thing is, if I entrust you with my child, the least you can do is call or text me to say, hey, he's okay, this is what went down. Like, you know, no, I won't hear nothing until tomorrow when I pick my child up. But I have little expectation when it comes to, yeah, my expectation sometimes does not really match up to my reality. And I'm rambling right now, so I'm gonna go. Anyways, I think this is gonna be the end of today's vlog. We didn't really do anything. I didn't do anything.
It's in your hand.
Time got away from me today and didn't do anything. Just
Where'd you go?
mess around in my basement. That's all I did was I messed around in the basement. I reorganized, huh?
I live down there.
I know you live down there. And
I'm gonna hold it.
I forgot trash yesterday.
say hello. You
Hi.
have to hold it like this. You're too close. Hey guys,
Hi.
look at the lens. Say hi guys.
Hi.
Tell them what you did today. What did you do today?
Huh?
What did you do today?
And then music class.
Music class, and what else?
Homework.
Homework? What else?
How do you do homework at school?
I can't.
What did you do, Jason?
We did testing all day.
Oh, you did tell. Oh, that's right. You guys were supposed to charge your iPad 50%.
100.
It said at least 50%. Bring your iPad
How
at
do you
least
know?
50. I get a text message because I am the parent.
Oh.
You got her from that little one.
Oh.
Stop. Stop. Oh, heck, you're pulling my hair.
Can you get the dog water, Maddie, please?
No.
Go give the dog water.
Yeah,
All
Justin.
those people are gonna see how rude you are. to
Go give the dog water.
Yeah, I play
Here.
volleyball. I play volleyball.
I'll record you giving the dog water so they can see that Maddie is very obedient and she listens and she does chores around the house. Look at them piles of dirty dishes.
Hey, Brad.
Jason, you're
The rags are where? Right here. I did a load of laundry with
Oh, I see it.
rags, so you guys cannot say I don't have dish rags. They're there. Don't just take one. Put them all away.
no.
Thank you. Why are we yelling?
No, Jason. He's asking me for one. I'm saying no.
I'm so hungry.
No for what?
No for my snack.
The dry pretzel?
Yeah.
Do you want a dry pretzel?
Yes, please.
It's not focusing.
I saw that, Jordan. I'm sitting.
Why won't it focus? Maybe your face.
Huh?
What do you say?
Thank you.
Tell your sister thank
Thank you,
you.
man.
Stop.
Maddie, he's saying thank you.
Hmm?
JJ said thank
You said
you.
ass. You said ass.
At least he asked and he didn't.
At least
He didn't.
Unlike,
What would you say? Stole it.
Unlike Jordan, who
He didn't steal it.
He just stole it.
No.
Stole. You wouldn't have stole it.
No. Jordan almost stole mine.
Took in.
Yeah, he just took it.
Took in.
That's the right.
What's the matter? What's the matter?
Such an area. Come on.
Crazy.
Why finish the dishes? Kidding.
You're so weird.
Sister said you're weird.
My foot.
What?
The camera. Oh no.
Okay, okay, you can have it. Say hi.
Hi.
Don't drop my camera
Look
now,
at that
'cause
crooked table.
I ain't got no money to buy a new one. If
Okay.
you drop my camera, we ain't going to Disney. Give me my camera. 'Cause that's my livelihood. Say bye. Say bye.
I saw
Say
that.
see you
Jordan.
tomorrow.
Jordan just stole
Anyways,
it.
guys, I'm gonna go.
Jordan just stole.
Say bye. See you tomorrow.
Maddie, Jordan just stole from you. It didn't.
I'll give it back. I'll give it back. Jordan, don't take her stuff. That's not really.
And you're trying to hide it behind your teeth. It's crazy.
Anyways, I had to come over here because the lighting over there is horrible. But anyways, guys, this is it for today. I didn't have much to put into today's vlog, and so I filled it with a bunch of.
Put me in.
See,
Girl.
I gotta go because Maddie's starting to get on my nerves. Say bye.
Being so slangy.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, soon.
I am geeking right now. This thing has been out of stock forever, and I can't believe it's here. She is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And I think I'm gonna put it over there
Don't drop it.
in the kitchen. Oh, I am so excited for this. I will link this down below for you guys if it's still available. But if you can get your hand on this guy, it's been out of stock for months. And it finally sent me the notification that it came back in stock. And I literally put it in my cart and checked out. But it's beautiful. OMG. I think I'm going to put it on the table. Look at it. Look how gorgeous that is. I'm obsessed. Okay, all right.
I know that we were never